So what's up, guys? I just wanted to do a video showing you guys that the Robocop gloves are done. They are cleaned up to my liking and they are ready for molding. So I just wanted to do a quick little preview showing you what I got so far. And tomorrow is the day that I will be molding these, and I plan on doing a pretty detailed how-to video of how to mold Robocop gloves. We will be using dragon skin silicone. We will be adding a fiberglass jacket to it. And then hopefully within the week I can get to making some urethane castings out of these. But I just wanted to show you the detail on them. They look amazing. And I'm so excited to mold these. You guys don't even know. They cleaned up really well. Alright guys, so stay tuned. The video is coming very soon. Thank you for watching.